This is my roommate, Gabi. She's going to be my client today. Read the video.
Yes.
Okay, so, how was getting here?
It was good, 2021, the part that it breaks off into 2 lanes, it was 1 lane under construction, so I need to figure out a new way to go home. Yeah.
Oh, no.
I know, it was tragic.
How's school been going for you?
Good.
Are you almost done?
Yeah.
That's good.
I'm taking a final today, and then, going home for summer break.
What are you going to do this
Cancun.
summer?
No, I'm kidding. No Cancun for me.
I think that's mostly spring break, but...
Let's see. I'm going on a bike trip, and I'm going on a cruise, and then I'm going to the beach.
Sounds like fun.
Yeah.
So, what can I do for you today?
Today I came in because I wanted to ask you how you felt about me, and if I was a good patient, and if you think that we should go for rodeo yet. Do I need to stop seeing you to go to rodeo, or are we allowed to be friends?
Well, you're one of
I'm back.
No.
I knew
Like
that.
you're one of my good patients here. Because you actually, want help.
Help, yes.
And
I knew that. That's Spanish for help.
But I will have to decline on a froyo date because it is unacceptable to have any sexual relations with your clients. That is just the law. I didn't come up with that. I'm going to be a good citizen, good, practitioner here, and
maybe some other time?
you're my client, I can't.
Oh.
So,
Okay.
can you tell me what has been going on?
Yeah. Well, Jerome has just kind of been like on my nerves because he thinks that, he wants to be like real intimate, and like, he wants to put the D in the V, and I said like, no, I'm not doing that unless I know I want to be with you. So he keeps saying that, and I'm just like, Jerome, no. And Allison is doing pretty good. She's really, really good. When Jerome pisses me off, it makes me think lesbian forever.
Have you sat Jerome down and told him how you feel? Have you spelled it out to him?
Kind of, because he still doesn't know about Allison. So that was probably a whoopsie on my part. But he does know that I'm kind of bisexual. So I told him, unless I know that I want to be with a man, and you're that man, no D in my V, right? That's what I said.
Do you think that he may be going somewhere else to get
release? I don't know. Because I was hoping that it would just be Jill, like Jill, Jill, your hand. I was hoping it would just, it would just be Jill, but, and part of me thinks, if he goes somewhere else, I don't even care, like, whatever. Maybe I should break up with him.
Oh, so you...
I don't think I like black men.
Okay, well, so are you, are you officially, labeled?
Yeah, oh yeah.
With him and her? Well, I think it would be, don't you think that it would be a good idea to maybe tell Jerome that about your...
Do I just say, Jerome, I don't really like black people anymore?
No, I was going to say about Allison. If he, does he know about her?
No.
Obviously he does not.
No.
Maybe that might cause some tension if he,
Yeah. Maybe I should go home today and just say, you told me I shouldn't date him.
No.
That would be so easy.
Because
So
I'm
I'd
not
be like,
telling you how
my
to do
therapist, my therapist said you're no good for me, so we need to be done. And then I just walk away.
No. I'm just giving you kind of suggestions here that could make it easier and make you feel better about it.
Yeah. I sometimes wish he was white. And I sometimes want to bleach him, but I don't.
Okay. So, you shouldn't don't tell him that.
I won't tell him that, but you know, whenever he wants to get a bath together, I always think that I would just like to put bleach in it and say, I'll be right there, and have him get in first, and then something happens to me, like I fall, or I'm like, change my mind, or something, so he just gets bleached.
Have you told Allison about Jerome? And how does she feel about that?
Oh, she's fine with it.
So she is bisexual, or what's her orientation?
She dated a man before, but she's been only dating women, so pretty much lesbian.
So she kind of understands kind of what you're going through, right?
Yeah. So
have you talked to her about any of this?
I didn't tell her about wanting to bleach Jerome, but
well, I mean, have you talked to her about your feelings about the situation? Because it seems like you're in a love triangle.
Well, I think I'm kind of in a this. Ooh, that makes a heart, but it's not meant to be a heart. Because it's like, here's me, and then here's me, and here's Jerome, and it's kind of bumpy. But then here's Allison, and it's straight. But that's funny, because we're gay, but it's a straight line. So, you know.
Is there any other issues that you wanted to talk to me about? Anything new?
Let's see, what else is new? Nothing, I'm just afraid that Jerome's going to impregnate me and I'm going to have a half-black baby. I don't want that. All white. And then Allison will know it's not hers.
I would be questioning Allison if it was hers.
Right.
So you're still, undecided on everything?
I think a little bit.
And have you talked to both of them about coming in here? Because I know we had talked about that, but we hadn't really had anything set in stone.
Yeah. Maybe next week I'll come in with Allison.
Okay.
And then she can prepare you about Jerome.
Does Jerome know?
Because Allison's been watching him, like, kind of secretively, so, like, she kind of knows, like, about him. Like, she'll, like, go to the gym where he goes, like, at the time that he goes. Because he'll be like, hey, Gabi, I'm going to the gym. And I'll be like, okay, and then I tell Allison. So then Allison goes, and she kind of keeps a little tab on him.
Oh, okay.
It's like detective work.
Now, does he know about you seeing a therapist?
Yeah.
So he would be okay coming in
Yeah,
with you?
I think so.
Talking about it?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. I think so. I always told Allison she should be a detective, even though right now she's currently a full-time employee at McDonald's, so I told her she should switch careers.
Okay.
She makes really good french fries.
Oh, I'm sure she does.
Yeah. And she's really good at cooking those burgers. Meaty burgers.
Mom, you just
Yeah.
so
I
into
know.
the sexual comments today.
Wow, I think I
going
am.
on?
I don't know what's going on.
Well,
Man. Crazy.
well, seems like you're doing fine.
Yeah.
You're taking suggestions and talking to them about it.
Yeah.
So I think our next session we should have
Allison
come in, and we can just go through everything with her and your relationship.
Yeah.
And,
That sounds good.
yeah.
All right. It's a good plan. Yeah.
This is a great session.
It was. I thoroughly enjoyed it. As
Hope
always.
it helped.
Yeah, it did.